Fire, a mesmerizing dance of light and heat, has captivated humanity since the dawn of time. It is a force of nature, both awe-inspiring and fearsome, capable of immense destruction and remarkable creation. Fire is a paradox, a symbol of both life and death, creation and destruction. It can provide warmth and sustenance, yet it can also consume everything in its path. Throughout history, fire has played a pivotal role in shaping our world and our understanding of it. From controlled burns used by indigenous cultures to the industrial furnaces that power our modern world, fire has been an essential tool for progress. Yet its uncontrolled fury can also lead to catastrophic wildfires and devastating infernos. By understanding the science and philosophy of fire, we can gain a deeper appreciation for this elemental force that has shaped our world and continues to captivate our imaginations. To comprehend the nature of fire, we must first understand the process by which plants capture and store the sun's energy, photosynthesis. Plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, effectively trapping a fraction of the sun's power within their cells. Through photosynthesis, plants utilize sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create glucose, a simple sugar that serves as their primary source of energy. This stored energy is the foundation of life on Earth, providing the fuel for plants to grow and reproduce and serving as the primary source of energy for all other organisms in the food chain. When we consume plants or animals that have consumed plants, we are indirectly harnessing the sun's energy that was initially captured through photosynthesis. Water is essential for all life on Earth, and plants in particular rely on its unique properties to thrive. Water acts as a solvent, transporting nutrients from the soil throughout the plant's vascular system. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity of plant cells, providing turgor pressure that keeps leaves and stems rigid and upright. Within the process of photosynthesis, water is a key ingredient, providing the hydrogen atoms necessary to form glucose. As wood dries, it loses much of its water content, becoming less dense and more combustible. The water that once sustained the living tree and played a vital role in photosynthesis is no longer present to inhibit the chemical reactions involved in burning. This transformation from living tree to dry wood represents a fundamental shift in the relationship between water and the stored energy within the wood's structure. When a tree is felled and the wood is seasoned, a remarkable transformation takes place. The wood's cellular structure changes, becoming lighter and more brittle. This increased combustibility is due to the removal of water molecules. As wood dries, it lowers the ignition point, making it easier to catch fire. Seasoned wood represents a concentrated reservoir of stored energy, ready for release upon ignition. Combustion, the rapid chemical reaction we call fire, is essentially the reverse of photosynthesis. While photosynthesis captures and stores the sun's energy, combustion releases that stored energy in the form of heat and light. When wood burns, it reacts with oxygen in the air, breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones and releasing the energy stored within their chemical bonds. The primary components of wood involved in combustion are cellulose and lignin, both long chains of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. When heated to their ignition temperature, these molecules react with oxygen, breaking apart and reforming into carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other byproducts. This exothermic reaction releases a significant amount of energy in the form of heat and light, which we perceive as the characteristic flames and warmth of a fire. The energy released during combustion was initially captured from the sun through photosynthesis and stored within the chemical bonds of the wood structure. Beyond the tangible realm of chemistry and physics lies a more esoteric interpretation of fire, one that delves into the metaphysical and explores the concept of sun consciousness. This perspective views the sun as more than just a celestial body. It ascribes to it a form of consciousness, a radiant awareness that permeates all life on Earth. From this vantage point, photosynthesis is not merely a biological process, but a sacred exchange, a communion between the sun's consciousness and the plant kingdom. The sun's energy, imbued with this radiant awareness, is absorbed by plants and woven into the very fabric of their being. When wood burns, this stored energy, along with the essence of sun consciousness it carries, is released back into the cosmos. The flames, in this context, can be seen as a bridge between the physical and metaphysical realms, a visible manifestation of the sun's energy returning to its source. The mesmerizing dance of flames captivates our senses and speaks to our primal fascination with fire. The colors of flames reveal the energy released during combustion and the chemical composition of the burning material. Flame color is determined by temperature and elements in the fuel. As temperature increases, flames transition from orange to white-hot. Sodium creates a bright yellow flame, while copper imparts a vibrant green hue. Fire, a force as ancient as time, plays a paradoxical role in life on Earth. It is both destructive and creative, essential for renewal and regeneration. Fire's multifaceted role includes devastation and revitalization. Flames consume vegetation, altering habitats and releasing greenhouse gases. Yet fire is also a catalyst for renewal in many ecosystems. Some plants, like pyrophytes, depend on fire for survival. Ash acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil for plant growth. Since the dawn of humanity, fire has held a profound significance, shaping our evolution, culture, and technological advancements. From the first flickering flames that provided warmth and protection from predators to the controlled combustion that powers our modern world, fire has been an indispensable tool in our journey as a species. The discovery of fire and its subsequent mastery marked a pivotal turning point in human history. Fire provided warmth in harsh climates, allowing our ancestors to expand their range and inhabit colder regions. It offered protection from predators, creating a safe haven around which communities could gather. Moreover, fire enabled cooking, which revolutionized our diet and unlocked a wider range of nutrients from previously indigestible foods. As our understanding of fire grew, so too did our ability to harness its power for increasingly sophisticated purposes. Beyond its practical applications and scientific explanations, fire has captivated philosophers and thinkers for centuries, inspiring contemplation about the nature of reality, the human condition, and our place in the cosmos. Fire's duality, its capacity for both creation and destruction, mirrors the complexities of our own existence. Ancient Greek philosophers such as Heraclitus viewed fire as a fundamental element, a primordial force representing constant change and flux. Heraclitus famously asserted that everything flows and nothing abides, likening the universe to a river constantly in motion, its essence embodied by the ever-changing nature of fire. For Plato, fire symbolized the realm of ideas and the illuminating power of knowledge. Just as fire casts light into darkness, so too does knowledge illuminate the mind, dispelling ignorance and leading us towards truth and understanding. In many cultures, fire is associated with purification, its flames representing the burning away of impurities and the transformation of the soul. Fire, the captivating dance of light and heat, holds us in its thrall, a testament to its enduring mystery and profound impact on our world. From the chemistry of combustion to its significance in nature and human civilization, fire invites us to explore interconnectedness. Understanding fire's science reveals the laws of energy transformation and the balance of ecosystems shaped by fire. The chemical reactions of fire reflect the sun's power, captured through photosynthesis and released through combustion. Fire's duality, its capacity for creation and destruction, serves as a metaphor for life's complexities and interconnectedness.